Hello viewers, welcome to Inside Africa 360 Media, where we amplify voices that shape our communities and celebrate those making positive impact. Today we are on our way to speak with the Oba and leader of the Yoruba community in Enugu State, Nigeria, His Royal Highness Oba Dr. Engineer Isiaka A. Salmon, PhD. Our attention was drawn to him following the groundbreaking scholarship programs he launched at his coronation in early 2025, and most recently for awarding scholarships to 20 deserving Yoruba and non-Yoruba students during the Yoruba Day celebration in Enugu State. Join us as we explore the vision, leadership, and community impact of Oba Isiaka, a leader committed to education, cultural integration and exchange, national unity and cohesion, and the empowerment of next generation. Why don't you join us? Let's get to meet him together.